Take a ride in the 2022 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, starter type, starter belt alternator, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, regenerative braking system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.